Welcome to a journey into the future, where innovation is transforming the world around us at an unprecedented pace. Today we'll be exploring 10 groundbreaking technologies that are set to redefine how we live, work, and interact with our environment. From revolutionary advancements in transportation and artificial intelligence to new frontiers in space exploration, these developments are not just concepts, they're rapidly becoming reality. Join us as we count down the top 10 technologies shaping tomorrow and discover how each one is poised to change life as we know it. Technological innovation is accelerating at an unprecedented rate, reshaping the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Breakthroughs in areas like transportation and entertainment are no longer distant dreams, but realities that are beginning to take shape today. Electric flying cars, immersive virtual environments, and advanced artificial intelligence are just a few examples of how these advancements are poised to transform everyday experiences. As these technologies become more integrated into our lives, they promise to make travel faster, entertainment more engaging, and daily tasks more efficient. The future is unfolding rapidly, bringing with it possibilities that were once confined to science fiction. Flying cars have long captured our imagination, often depicted as a hallmark of futuristic societies in science fiction. Today, this once distant dream is rapidly becoming a reality thanks to groundbreaking advancements in technology and engineering. Companies around the world are developing vehicles capable of both road and air travel, signaling a major shift in how we think about transportation. With successful prototypes and ongoing production, flying cars are poised to transform urban mobility and reduce congestion. The transition from fantasy to everyday life is now closer than ever, marking an exciting new chapter in transportation history. Several innovative companies are leading the way in developing electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, or eVTOLs, which promise to transform urban and personal transportation. Terrafugia, Aeromobile, and Joby Aviation are among the pioneers in this field, each working on unique designs that blend the convenience of automobiles with the versatility of aircraft. These vehicles are engineered to take off and land vertically, making them ideal for navigating congested city environments and reducing travel times. With advancements in electric propulsion and autonomous flight technology, eVTOLs could soon offer a practical solution to traffic congestion and open up new possibilities for commuting. As prototypes continue to be tested and refined, the dream of flying cars is steadily moving closer to reality. Flying car prototypes are no longer just a concept from science fiction. Several companies have made significant progress in developing vehicles capable of both road and air travel. Recent advancements such as Aleph Aeronautics Model A and Joby Aviation's hydrogen electric demonstrator highlight the potential for flying cars to drastically reduce travel time, especially in congested urban areas. These vehicles promise to transform personal and commercial transportation by offering new routes and flexibility previously unimaginable. While widespread adoption is still on the horizon, early successes indicate that air-based mobility could soon become an integral part of our daily lives. The evolution of flying cars opens up exciting possibilities for how we move through and connect our cities in the future. Advanced artificial intelligence is rapidly reshaping the way industries operate, with profound effects on sectors like healthcare and transportation. In healthcare, AI systems are now capable of analyzing vast amounts of medical data, assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and developing personalized treatment plans. Meanwhile, in transportation, AI powers self-driving vehicles and optimizes traffic management, leading to safer roads and more efficient travel. These innovations not only improve productivity and safety, but also open new possibilities for problem-solving and decision-making. As AI continues to evolve, its influence is expected to grow, driving further breakthroughs across multiple fields. Major technology companies such as OpenAI, DeepMind, and IBM Watson are at the forefront of artificial intelligence research, driving remarkable progress in the field. Their efforts have led to the creation of advanced AI systems that can perform complex reasoning, follow detailed instructions, and make decisions in challenging scenarios. These innovations are not only transforming industries, like healthcare and transportation, but are also setting new standards for what machines can achieve. As AI continues to evolve, we are witnessing the emergence of tools that can solve intricate problems and support critical decision-making processes, paving the way for a future where intelligent systems play an integral role in everyday life. Artificial intelligence holds remarkable promise for transforming city management, medical diagnostics, and decision-making in critical situations. In urban environments, AI could optimize traffic flow, manage energy consumption, and enhance public safety by analyzing vast amounts of real-time data. In healthcare, advanced AI systems may assist doctors in diagnosing complex conditions with greater accuracy and speed, potentially leading to earlier interventions and improved patient outcomes. Superintelligent machines could also be deployed in high-stakes scenarios, making rapid, informed decisions during emergencies or natural disasters. As these technologies continue to evolve, their potential to reshape essential aspects of our daily lives becomes increasingly evident. Augmented reality, or AR, is rapidly transforming the way we interact with our surroundings by overlaying digital content onto the real world. Through popular apps and advanced devices such as AR glasses and headsets, users can experience enhanced visuals, information, and interactive elements seamlessly integrated into their everyday environment. Whether it's navigating city streets with digital maps, playing immersive games, or accessing instant information about objects around you, AR is making daily activities more engaging and efficient. As technology continues to evolve, augmented reality is poised to become an essential part of how we learn, work, and communicate. Augmented reality is rapidly evolving, with major companies like Apple and Microsoft leading the way in developing advanced AR devices and platforms. Microsoft's HoloLens 2, for example, has enhanced the immersive experience for users in fields such as education, healthcare, and professional tasks, allowing digital overlays to interact seamlessly with the real world. AR is also transforming navigation, enabling users to access interactive maps and real-time information directly within their environment. In classrooms and workplaces, augmented reality is being used to visualize complex concepts and streamline training processes. As these technologies continue to mature, AR is poised to become an integral part of daily life, making information more accessible and experiences more interactive. Augmented reality is poised to transform the way we interact with information by seamlessly overlaying digital content onto our physical surroundings. This technology enables users to access data, visuals, and interactive elements in real time, enhancing everyday experiences from navigation to learning. As AR devices become more sophisticated, tasks like shopping, education, and professional work will be enriched with immersive digital layers. The result is a world where information is not just accessible, but visually integrated into our environment, making interactions more engaging and intuitive. With ongoing advancements, AR promises to make our daily lives more connected and interactive than ever before. Virtual reality, or VR, is a transformative technology that enables users to experience fully immersive digital environments. By wearing specialized headsets, individuals can interact with virtual worlds that feel remarkably lifelike, making it possible to explore new places, scenarios, and experiences without leaving their homes. VR has found widespread applications in gaming, where players can step directly into the action, as well as in training simulations for fields like medicine and aviation, offering safe and realistic practice environments. Entertainment is also evolving with VR, allowing audiences to participate in concerts, events, or stories in ways that were previously unimaginable. As VR technology continues to advance, its potential to reshape how we learn, play, and connect is becoming increasingly apparent. Virtual reality technology is advancing rapidly, with major companies such as Meta, HTC, and Sony leading the way in developing sophisticated VR headsets. These devices are designed to create highly immersive digital environments, making experiences like gaming, training, and entertainment more engaging than ever before. Beyond leisure, VR is opening up new possibilities for remote work, allowing people to collaborate and interact in virtual spaces that closely mimic real-world settings. Social interaction is also evolving, as users can meet, communicate, and share experiences in these immersive worlds regardless of physical distance. As VR technology continues to improve, its impact on both professional and personal life is set to grow significantly. Virtual reality is poised to redefine how we experience the world around us. With advancements in VR technology, users can embark on virtual journeys to distant destinations, attend live events, and interact with others in fully immersive digital environments. This capability opens up new possibilities for industries such as education, healthcare, and entertainment, allowing for realistic simulations and remote collaboration. As VR becomes more sophisticated, it has the potential to transform traditional practices, making experiences more accessible and engaging for people everywhere. The future of VR promises a world where boundaries between physical and digital realities continue to blur. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, represent a groundbreaking technology that enables direct communication between the human brain and external devices. By interpreting neural signals, BCIs can allow individuals to control computers, prosthetics, or other machines using only their thoughts. This innovation holds immense promise for people with physical disabilities, offering new ways to interact with the world. Beyond medical applications, BCIs could eventually transform how we access information, communicate, and engage with technology, making seamless mind-machine integration a reality. As research progresses, the potential for BC is to reshape everyday life continues to grow. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are rapidly progressing thanks to companies like Neuralink. These technologies allow direct communication between the brain and external devices, opening new possibilities for both medical and non-medical applications. For example, Neuralink has demonstrated a monkey controlling a computer cursor using only its thoughts, highlighting the potential for restoring mobility and communication to people with disabilities. Beyond healthcare, BCAs could eventually enable users to interact with computers, smart devices, or even the internet, simply by thinking, fundamentally changing the way we engage with technology. As research continues, the integration of mind and machine may soon become a part of everyday life. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, hold the promise of fundamentally changing how we communicate and interact with technology. By enabling direct connections between the brain and digital devices, BCIs could allow individuals to control computers, prosthetics, or even smart home systems using only their thoughts. This breakthrough has enormous implications for accessibility, empowering people with disabilities to communicate and navigate the world more independently. Beyond medical applications, BCIs may pave the way for seamless hands-free interaction with information and devices, potentially making keyboards and screens obsolete. As research advances, the boundaries between mind and machine could blur, opening up new possibilities for human expression and connectivity. Quantum computing represents a revolutionary leap in processing power by harnessing the unique properties of quantum bits, or qubits. Unlike classical bits, which can only be in a state of 0 or 1, qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously thanks to quantum superposition. This allows quantum computers to perform complex calculations at speeds unattainable by traditional machines. As a result, quantum computing holds the potential to solve problems in fields like cryptography, medicine, and artificial intelligence that are currently beyond the reach of classical computers. The ongoing development of quantum technology promises to transform industries and redefine what is computationally possible. Quantum computing is rapidly advancing, with major players like IBM, Google, and D-Wave leading the charge in research and development. These companies are exploring new architectures and algorithms that harness the unique properties of quantum bits, or qubits, to solve problems far beyond the reach of classical computers. Recent breakthroughs, such as Google's Willow quantum chip, have demonstrated the potential for unprecedented computational speed and power. Industries poised for transformation by quantum breakthroughs include cryptography, medicine, finance, and artificial intelligence, where complex calculations and data analysis could be performed in seconds rather than years. As quantum technology matures, it promises to reshape the foundations of computing and unlock solutions to challenges previously thought unsolvable. quantum computing is poised to dramatically reshape several key industries. In cryptography, its immense processing power could render current encryption methods obsolete, prompting the development of new quantum-resistant security protocols. In medicine, quantum computers may accelerate drug discovery and enable the analysis of complex biological data, leading to more effective treatments. The finance sector stands to benefit from faster, more accurate modeling of markets and risk assessments. Additionally, artificial intelligence could reach new heights as quantum computing enables the training of more sophisticated models and the solving of problems previously considered intractable. 5G networks represent a major leap forward in wireless communication technology. By offering significantly faster internet speeds and ultra-low latency, 5G is transforming how we connect and interact with digital services. This new generation of connectivity supports the growth of the Internet of Things, allowing everyday devices, from cars to appliances, to communicate seamlessly and make real-time decisions. As 5G networks continue to expand globally, they are laying the foundation for innovations such as autonomous vehicles and remote medical procedures. The widespread deployment of 5G is set to reshape industries and enhance the way we live and work. 5G networks are set to become the backbone of a hyper-connected world, enabling technologies that were once considered science fiction. With their ultra-fast speeds and low latency, 5G will allow autonomous vehicles to communicate seamlessly with each other and with city infrastructure, improving safety and efficiency on the roads. In healthcare, 5G makes remote medical procedures possible by supporting real-time data transmission and precise control, even across long distances. The widespread deployment of 5G also supports the Internet of Things, connecting billions of devices and allowing for smarter cities, homes, and industries. As this network expands globally, it will lay the foundation for innovations that rely on instant, reliable connectivity. Autonomous vehicles are rapidly advancing, with companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber actively testing self-driving cars on public roads. These vehicles rely on a sophisticated array of sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence algorithms to detect obstacles, interpret traffic conditions, and make real-time driving decisions. The integration of these technologies enables cars to navigate complex environments safely, often without human intervention. As development continues, autonomous vehicles promise to reduce accidents, ease congestion, and transform the way we travel in urban and suburban areas. Autonomous vehicles are poised to significantly reshape urban environments. With self-driving cars capable of navigating roads and making real-time decisions, cities may see a reduction in traffic congestion and fewer accidents. This shift could lead to less need for traditional parking spaces and allow for more pedestrian-friendly areas, green spaces, and flexible street layouts. As autonomous vehicles become more widespread, city infrastructure will likely adapt to support smart traffic management and seamless integration with public transportation. Ultimately, these changes have the potential to create safer, more efficient, and more livable urban spaces. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, represents the next frontier in artificial intelligence. Unlike current AI systems that excel at specific tasks, AGI aims to create machines with the ability to learn, reason, and understand across a wide range of domains, much like humans do. Researchers are working to develop algorithms and architectures that enable machines to adapt and solve new problems without explicit programming. The pursuit of AGI holds the promise of revolutionizing industries, scientific discovery, and even the way we interact with technology. Achieving true human-like intelligence in machines remains a complex challenge, but progress in this field continues to accelerate. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, represents a major leap forward in the field of artificial intelligence. Leading organizations like DeepMind and OpenAI are at the forefront of AGI research, working to develop systems that can think, learn, and adapt in ways similar to humans. The potential impact of AGI is immense, as it could help tackle complex global challenges such as climate change, healthcare, and resource management. By enabling machines to reason and innovate, AGI could drive breakthroughs across science, technology, and society. As research progresses, the promise of AGI continues to inspire new possibilities for solving problems and enhancing human creativity. Space exploration technologies are rapidly advancing, with companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and NASA leading the way toward making space travel more accessible. SpaceX has demonstrated remarkable progress with its Starship missions, paving the path for future human colonization of Mars. Blue Origin continues to develop reusable rockets, aiming to lower the cost of reaching orbit and expand commercial opportunities in space. NASA remains at the forefront of scientific discovery, collaborating with private partners to send astronauts and research missions beyond Earth. Together, these efforts are transforming the dream of space travel into a tangible reality for more people than ever before. The prospect of human colonization on the Moon and Mars is rapidly shifting from science fiction to scientific ambition. Advances in space exploration technologies are paving the way for building sustainable habitats on these celestial bodies, with designs focused on supporting life in harsh environments. Researchers and private companies are also exploring the potential for mining resources from asteroids and planetary surfaces, which could provide essential materials for construction and fuel. Establishing a permanent human presence beyond Earth would not only expand our understanding of the universe, but could also offer new solutions for resource scarcity and environmental challenges on our home planet. As these possibilities become more tangible, humanity stands on the threshold of a new era in space exploration. In summary, these top 10 futuristic technologies are poised to reshape every aspect of our lives. From flying cars and advanced artificial intelligence to brain-computer interfaces and quantum computing, each innovation brings new possibilities for transportation, communication, and problem-solving. The widespread adoption of 5G networks and autonomous vehicles will make our world more connected and efficient, while breakthroughs in augmented and virtual reality promise richer, more immersive experiences. As we look toward the future, space exploration technologies may even extend human life beyond Earth. Together, these advancements signal a transformative era, redefining how we live, work, and play in ways we are only beginning to imagine. As we look ahead to these groundbreaking innovations, it's fascinating to imagine which technology will have the greatest impact on our lives. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What futuristic advancement excites you the most? Your perspective helps shape the conversation about our shared future. Stay tuned for more insights and discoveries as we continue to explore the technologies that will redefine our world. The journey into tomorrow is just beginning. If you're fascinated by the possibilities of tomorrow, there's even more to discover. Explore our collection of mind-blowing innovations and transformative technologies that promise to reshape the world in the coming years. From breakthroughs in artificial intelligence to advances in space exploration, these topics offer a deeper look into the future unfolding before us. Continue your journey and see what's next in the world of cutting-edge science and technology.